You can do all the things and go through the whole big task of doing the spring cleaning. But afterwards, you feel off or drained, even a little empty, exhausted maybe of having done so much work, just not quite satisfied. And that's because your energy isn't just cleared with a mop. I'm going to show you how you can take your space one step further and begin to energetically cleanse your space so that it doesn't only look fresh, but it also feels in alignment. These are practices that I do after a deep clean to ensure that my home is energetically in alignment and I am welcoming the best and freshest energy that I want to bring into my life. I'm Danny Sinclair, holistic interior designer, blending aesthetics with energetics. This is what it looks like to feel at peace in your space and body. Let's get into it. Anytime that you are doing any energetic work, it is always important to open your windows. Let the clean energy flow in and out. Think of it like a breathwork session for your home. And ideally, you should be doing this practice at least once a day. And by doing this, you're creating space for something new. I like to open up my house each and every morning by opening the doors and the windows to allow the fresh breeze to flow through my home as I'm inviting new energy into my space. Secondly, cleanse your home with smoke or sound or room sprays or sprays. This is going to release any of that stagnant leftover energy that is still sitting within your space after you have cleaned. You want to bring in a new intention of releasing the old. So depending on what your mood is or what you like, you can use smoke, incense, herbs, sound bowls, chimes, wind chimes, or even aura sprays, room sprays. I like to make a simple room spray using sea salt and water. Sea salt is really good for releasing stagnant energy from our homes. And just go around the home, the entire home, each and every room, making sure that you're getting all of those corners and nooks and crannies and closets and doors and such. And setting the intention of releasing the negative energy and calling in your love, your abundance, your peace, your clarity, your prosperity, whatever it is that you want to bring into your home to seal in that energy. Thirdly, especially after a deep clean, I like to move some furniture around. I like to disrupt the energy flow a little bit and see if some things could shift and make new space and make new areas for things to move around just a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot. It could be moving a light fixture from one part of the room to another part of the room. It could be shifting your chairs around in a slightly different arrangement. This is going to encourage new movement through your space. And then to take that a step further, go back into those corners and intentionally put, I like to use salt rocks, perhaps some crystals, into those corner areas especially, because that's where stagnancy tends to accumulate in corners. Herbal bundles, rosemary is a really good one. Those really detoxifying elements are going to help keep those areas of your home clear and safe and free from the stagnant energy returning. After you're done with your clearing, I like to bring in one intentional element, just to bring in some new energy to set the intention and really bless the space. So this could be a bunch of new flowers, a crystal that is placed in a different area, the essential oil diffuser, maybe you can get that going. Light up a nice fresh candle. Even play some really relaxing music that's gonna just really settle and ease your nervous system. This is showing your home that you belong here. You love your home and your home loves you back. As you're doing this, you can say to your space, I love my home. My home loves me back. My home is a sanctuary. My home is a safe space. I am supported here. May this home be filled with warmth and love and peace. And may all who enter this space be held and grounded, even if it's just for you. Speak it with conviction. Your home is alive. It listens and it has memory. And when you begin to design with intention, it begins to support you in ways that go beyond aesthetics. It becomes a mirror for your healing and an anchor for your peace. If this video spoke to you and you'd love to learn more about how to align your space with your energy and your vision, I'd love to support you. You can learn more about creating your sanctuary makeover at bydannysinclair.com or drop a line in the comments and let me know what your space is holding on to. That's all I have for today. Stay in peace.